Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to have a featured artist on Distrokid. It's very easy. So if you're featuring someone on the song that you want to upload on Distrokid and you want to identify the person you're featuring and the title of your song, then this video is for you. It's very easy. So I have a video on how you can upload music on Distrokid, and I explained how you can upload your music and also how you can have featured artists on your song and lots more. So I'm just going to show you how you can actually do this, how you can actually have a featured artist. I won't show you the process of uploading music, alright, but it's in the process of uploading music that you can be able to have a featured artist. So what you have to do in order to have a featured artist is to go to distrokid.com, sign into your account, and you find this upload music button right here. Tap on that. Then after tapping on that, first off you're going to find these services right here, options right here. These are where your song are going to be delivered. Then you see the number of songs that you want to upload, so you have to click on the drop down button and choose it. For example, one song, and then you have to scroll down and answer this other question: as this single been previously released, blah blah blah. So these are the questions you have to answer. But if you scroll down to this section where you're going to see track 1, so this is one where you have to enter your song title right here. So enter your song title, and then if you just scroll down, you're going to see this add featured artist to this song, or rather add featured artist to song title. All right, so you can choose yes or no, no or yes, no or yes. So if you want the artist to appear in the title of the song, then you have to click on this yes, and then come here and enter the artist name. So you have to enter the artist name just like this. For example, let's say the artist name is this, yeah, it has to be the artist's stage name, So once you are done with that, you can just scroll down. If you are featuring more than one artist on the song, you can click on this add another featured artist just like this and add another person's name just like that. So once you're done adding all the featured artists you want to feature on the song, so you can just scroll down after answering all this. So these are all what you have to do. So after you do all these parts, then finally you can just come down here, click on done. That's the last thing you have to do. So if you want to get a detailed video on how you can upload music on Distrokid, check out the video I have at the end screen of this video, so that you can understand how you can actually upload music, add featured artists, and lot more. Alright guys, so this is how you can actually have a featured artist on a song on Distrokid. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.